I want to say some more about the nature. I often said, find the core of our being, and the core of being is nature's way, laws of nature. That brought us on this earth, and then we go back to nature. Why don't we be peaceful, relate to, be one with nature, no mind, no self, be a bit primitive. Don't be lured for the artificial intelligence. There's natural intelligence. We are the product of it. Our mind is trying to put us away from nature's way or fight against nature. Why do you do that? I think Oriental people has been